Hello friends, in today's video, we're going to learn how to take a backup of your SQL Server databases. So let's get started. First of all, you need to have SQL Server Management Studio SSMS installed. I've already installed it, but if you want a tutorial on how to install SSMS, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a video for you. Now the first step is to click on the Start menu and search for SSMS. Open it once you find it. Next, you'll need to log into SSMS. You can either use your SQL Server login credentials or Windows authentication if it's enabled for SSMS. Personally, I prefer using SQL login credentials. After logging in, you'll see multiple options in the Object Explorer on the left. You need to click on Databases. Select the database you want to back up. Right-click on it. Go to Tasks, and you'll see several options. Let me walk you through these. Detach. This option allows you to detach your database from SSMS, which is useful if you need to transfer the database to another server or stop SSMS from using it temporarily. Shrink. This option helps reduce the size of your database files. It's used to reclaim space from unused parts of the database files. However, be cautious while using this, as it might cause fragmentation in the database, which can affect performance. Backup. This is the option we'll be using today. I'll guide you through this in a moment. Restore. This option allows you to restore a database from a backup, which we'll demonstrate after we finish the backup. Generate scripts. This option generates a script file containing the SQL commands to recreate your database or its objects. It's useful for moving databases or automating deployments. Now let's focus on backing up your database. Click on Backup. You will be prompted to choose the source database. Select the database you wish to back up. Under Backup Type, select Full. A full backup contains all the data in your database at the time of the backup. It's a complete copy. If you want to save space and time later, you can also perform a differential backup. What's a differential backup? A differential backup only contains the data that has changed since the last full backup. This helps in reducing the backup size and time compared to taking another full backup, but you will need the full backup to restore the differential one. Now under Backup Set, you'll see a few options like Name, Description, and Backup Set Expiry. Name. This is the name for your backup set. You can give it a meaningful name to identify this backup, especially when you manage multiple backups. Description. This is an optional field where you can provide details about the backup, like why it was taken or what it includes for future reference. Backup Set Expiry. This allows you to set an expiration date for your backup. After this date, the backup is considered invalid, which helps in maintaining your backup lifecycle, ensuring you don't accidentally use outdated backups. Now, let's move on to the destination section. You can remove any existing paths and choose a new path where you want to save your backup file. Be sure to select a location where SSMS has permission to create files. Give the backup file a name and make sure to use the .back extension. Finally, click OK, and then OK again. OK again. And there you go, your database backup is ready. Let's check the file to ensure everything is good. And that's it for today's video. Now that you've learned how to back up your SQL Server database, stay tuned because in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to restore it. So make sure you don't miss that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, Skill Leading, where we share the latest tech tutorials that help you prepare for IT jobs. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're notified the moment we drop new content. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy and keep learning.